Hello, this is Gaetana with Portland Volvo here in Scarborough, Maine. Today we're going to look over this 2026 XC90 B6 Plus Volvo in a new color drop called Aurora Silver. It's a very light silver with a pink purple glow. Super pretty. We're going to come around back here and we'll take a look at this trunk space. This is a 7-seater. It has 21-inch 5 multi-spoke black diamond cut wheels, all-wheel drive. We'll take a look at this and we will close this up and let's take a look at these back seats. The interior is cardamom quilted Nordico with wood inlay, has this beautiful panoramic sunroof, heated back seats. All right, let's check out these front seats. We have power adjustable front seats, this beautiful crystal gear knob shifter, an 11.2 center touchscreen, 360 camera, LED headlights, keyless entry, blind spot assist, lane keeping assist. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.